Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when you cannot sign up or log in to Character AI. If this is the problem when you try to log in with your email, Google or Apple, and maybe it just loads up and nothing happens, then there's a few ways you can fix this. First of all, make sure to check your internet connection. If it's really good and everything just fine, then there might be some issues with the cache. So you want to go ahead and clear it. So for example, I'm here on Brave browser, but I'm just gonna do a clear with by clicking it on the right click of my mouse, and then you're gonna click inspect. After that, this will pop up. Now at the top, you want to click on application, and on application, you want to be on the storage section right here on Character AI. And from here, you want to clear the cache storage. You can actually uncheck mark these ones if you want to, and then clear the site data. That's it. That's pretty much it. It should work and should fix your problem. Sometimes there's a server error, like that the servers are down on Character AI, so that's not your issue, and Character AI should fix it in a few hours. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.